here, bringing F1 2012 back to the channel. We are here for the Belgian Grand Prix. We are here for the race. Now you guys might be wondering, Speedy for the second time in a row, where did the qualifying and practice go? Well, I kind of got interrupted at the end of my video, and it didn't look so good, so I decided not to put that on. Sorry for the cough. So we are here for the race. Let's do this. We're starting from P18, not where I was expecting. The team also expected me to finish higher. Hello, engineer. But we didn't. Hopefully we're starting on primes because that glitch is back again. I mean the options. I think we're starting on primes. No, we're starting on the options. Okay, be good. Be good. Here we go. Come on. Alright. Where did... Okay.
You were expected to be in a higher grip position than this, so let's push hard in the first few laps and move up a few places.
At least I could have been 17. Let's do this. We grabbed 8 positions right off the first corner. 9, because we're on P9. That was a horrible run up our Rouge. We just hit somebody and that was it. Bye-bye. Seriously? It's so hard when you're in the pack and you have to go up our Rouge. Dude, I'm in the Sauber. You have nothing in this race.
Brilliant overtake, now push.
Sour. Oh. Whatever. Ignore whatever. The rest of. Let me go through. Thank you. Really forceful. We're almost at the back of our teammate. Now we are at the back of our teammate. Give him a little touch. Tell him we are here. Tell him we are here. Go wide a bit. We have no curves left. I'm gonna go down. Let's use the rumble strip a bit. We just save it, Alonso, like now. I did those corners much better in practice and qualifying. Ow. That was really bad, I'm sorry. And that hurt my finger too. I'm gonna go up into Rich because we are running on cautious fuel strategy. Should have gone to 6. We jumped a lot of people. Let's get in front of Hamilton. We're up to the podiums now. Screw the podiums, so we're leading now. That's an impressive line to find there. Just go through the middle of... There we are. That's all it took. Just Hamilton almost turned in our way. Actually, we kind of turned in his way, so that was my bad. But nobody got hurt. And I again forgot to check when we were supposed to come in. And now that we're in the lead, our Rouge, full power. take some fuel.
We have a slight lead over Hamilton.
I thought it was Vettel. Huh? Looks like Hamilton and Vettel changed positions. If you guys missed the last episode, I didn't notice. And I'm very silly. I think I'll stop doing this so I know actually how many views I got. If you guys make YouTube videos, don't do this just to get more views. Don't watch your videos again and again on YouTube because you get more views. I had no clue. I watch my videos all the time and so the video yesterday already has 21 views, and that's because I watched it 21 times, I guess. Just for one moment when I overtook Alonso, which was crazy. I didn't know that, so I stopped looking at it. So you guys can go check that video out. It's really cool, really tough race. As Vettel takes the lead. That wasn't the best of runs. Ooh! Contact between the AI drivers. I need to go up into center to run with Vettel. Side by side. But we get him. Yes, engineer. William Barouche, full throttle. Vettel will have the RS on us. In the ridge and all my corners. Not helping. He's gonna go around the outside. But we just had enough speed to keep him behind. And we are on a fresh set of options. So we have more grip. Down back into lead. Oh no, we have gone wide. Vettel was right there. Very happy not to make contact. He's going around the outside, guys. We took the rumble strip a little too hard. Didn't get the best of exits. It's only 3 laps and we're battling with Vettel real hard. Jenson Button has caught up because me and Vettel battling so much. Oh man, this is exciting. I'm supposed to do a post come out. Alright, I'll try to remember for the next video. Here we go. Oh, we touched the grass. And Vettel backs off. Vettel, what was that? Why'd you back off? Why'd you back off? Why'd you back off, Vettel? Guys, Vettel just backed out from a great overtaking opportunity. They've gotten the fastest. You have to battling with Vettel for so long. But we haven't the rest of these set. There we go. I'm running with the stock tune still. Be good. Just see them battling. We had a little slide. Not the best. Button has taken Vettel now. It's a really long corner because we go so slow. It's going really well from 18th to 1st. It does in the first lap. I should have said that when we got first. But the guys in second are not giving up. Ooh, too early on the power. Come on. I think now I think I should have stuck with Toro Rosso. But whatever. Oh wow. That was scary. Both of them just sneaking up on me. Like, I'm gonna sneak up on him. No, you ain't sneaking up on anybody besides you guys battling over. You ain't sneaking up on me. What? Cool.
The pit crew are ready for you at the end of this lap. End this lap.
I don't need to pitch this lap. I'm gonna come in when Vettel comes in. Now Vettel has second place. Wow, that's a lot of great. That's just so quick. The Ferraris. What's up with Ferrari and Spa? Ooh. Little gravel. Not gravel, grass. Should we still come in or should we? Because we don't have to. Our tires are fairly new. Okay. I'm still debating. Should we come in? I'm still. In my mind. I mean, it is. You know what? I'll come in the next lap. Unless all these guys are going. Which you probably aren't, because I am debating, because in Hungary it worked out pretty well. The stock strategy. Sorry about it. I'm gonna quickly power it up into standard and back down to lean. So they did.
We think the car behind is running on 4S. He's trying to close the gap.
Alright, let's push.
There's enough fuel to run in high mix mode if you feel you need it. Turn fuel to rich, fuel to rich.
And now engineer. Let's do a mad push. Let's get an amazing lap in. So when we do pit, we don't lose any positions. I use all my curves, a lot of it anyways. If not all.
You currently have a 3-second gap between you and the car behind. 3 seconds.
Thank you, engineer. I like this engineer better. Lock up, keep the car on track. Spa is such a fun track, especially our Rouge. Going up our Rouge. Nope, get off the rumble strip. Now. They touched the gravel. This engineer. Where did Vettel even rejoin? Where's Vettel? 9th and button. So they're like really low down. And stuck behind the option runners. So let's get a good run into pits using up a lot of the curves. All of the curves up to the bus stop section.
We need to get some heat into them. Brake hard in the next few corners.
There's a train of cars behind me. So we don't. Where did we expect? 18. That's. No, we had to wait for someone.
Watch out for traffic as you rejoin the track. You have no more scheduled pits,
Guys,
so look over your tyres.
they're rejoined in the lead. With both the Red Bulls behind us. Then where's Button? What? Oh, Button is 4th. Vettel is nowhere to be seen. I don't know where he is. Oh, there they come. Guys, but still, we rejoin in the lead. And it was an amazing pit stop. Then who was the guy who we had to wait for? We got. Okay, back on track. So back down to lane. Save fuel. Vettel is right there. He will definitely have DRS on us. He's still 10.7 seconds off. That'd be horrible. Sorry. I'm just gonna stay in lead.
The car behind has some minor damage to its front wing.
Yeah, that's because he smashed into me and that was my fault. That he
The car
smashed.
behind is running on full revs. He's trying to close the gap.
Sorry, Vettel. I hope you recover.
Be aware you've got a reserve of fuel and can afford to use more to up your pace if you feel it's needed.
And now we have marbles. And now we're pulling away from Vettel. That's good. But I'm really sorry about the crash, guys. And me and Vettel had. It wasn't supposed to happen. It wasn't in the books. It wasn't in the script whatsoever.
We've got a slight lead over Vettel. He's close behind you.
Okay. So looks like, thankfully. Oh God. That's very close. Vettel has a front wing damage and he doesn't care. Oh, that was cool. Mark Webber, Cheeky got him. You sure you'll be able to get past me, dude? Me and Vettel just came really close to taking each other out. That was really close when we got that wheel to wheel. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh no. I messed up. Now both the Red Bulls have driven into my tire. Now, I'm not joking. Both the Red Bulls. Mark Webber just did the same thing, just on the right front rear. What are you doing? What, Red Bull? Do you not like your wings? You want wings after you get your Red Bull drink. Sorry for all the Red Bull fans watching. Don't smash into me just cause you won the lead. You won the lead? Take it. Just don't smash into me. You don't take it, but you know. fight for it and earn it instead of smashing into my tire. Real life, if this was real life, 2 punches. 2 laps. Must be a record. Ooh. Ooh, that was really light. Vettel's back through in front of Mark Webber. There we go. Finishing first again will help us a lot. Sauber is an amazing team. We got some really good. Oh, that was. As I was saying, we got some really good tracks coming up for Sauber. We got the Japanese Grand Prix. We got the Italian Grand Prix right after this one. Let's hope I record. Let's hope I don't mess up with the recording for practice and qualifying. Vettel is looking to go around. Mark Webber has hit me again. Now I'm gonna go up into standard. I've gone wide. It was really close. Oh, that was so scary. That's so scary, guys. You cannot imagine how. It doesn't go as far back. It goes to when, and then Alonso just, I think that's Alonso, and he just says, "Can I, dude? I'm coming through." And I said, "Nope, you ain't coming through." 2 behind, 2. Oh God, dude, what are you doing, Rebel? In the rich. So we don't hit him. Sparks. Ooh. Gave us space. We didn't need a second warning. Use our DRS, use our curves. Ooh. Car slid down. I didn't even realize we're on the penultimate lap, guys. It's lap 10 out of 11. That's how quickly this race went by. Just because of the battling I've been doing since I got the lead. And it's been hard. Vettel got us for a moment. Might get us again because we completely messed that up. And I'm still sorry for that front wing loss. And Webber he probably came in again. Because he went into the back of me. Alonso showing really good form. Just shut the door on Vettel. I didn't mean to, but alright, I didn't mean to cough either. Here we go. Oh, we are locked off. Gone wide. Here we go. Final lap around this amazing track. Put up amazing battles. We have gone into the marbles. That's a little unfortunate, but we did set a 202. Surprisingly, I didn't even notice that. Let's use up everything we have. Final lap. Let's just give it all. Foot is planted right now. Just at the 50-meter mark. 2.5 seconds got to Alonso. Looks like Vettel lost out to Alonso. Alonso is really good. He's leading the World Driver Championship. He came second in Hungary to us. And now, where the heck is Hamilton? Seriously, how is that possible? Because he just crossed the line. Now I got shocked, like, where is Hamilton? He's not gonna score any points today, guys. It's in P20. Ooh, that corner scares me. Because we kind of start heading towards. I could hear that engine pretty well. Alonso's closing in. Okay, whatever. Here we go. Here, a little bit of course, saved just for the end. Here we go. Sorry for that noise. I'm just coming back. Best way to end it. Just 360 across the line. They've come first again. Wasn't easy. 0 to hero.
P1, you've won the race. Congratulations.
Kobe actually doing a good job of getting consistent points.